All right, guys, so I have a really funny idea. So the buggy, right? It's turbo. That's cool. Makes spoolie noises. That's cool. It's missing one key feature. It doesn't shoot fire yet. So I have an idea on how to make that happen. That's what we're gonna do today. So you can see down in there, it's kind of hard to see in the camera, but there's 3 coil packs because it's a 3-cylinder, right? Right here. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie into the ignition coil that is closest to this exhaust port. So the furthest exhaust port away from the engine. And then I'm going to weld a spark plug right here in the exhaust pipe. Then I'm going to wire it onto a switch. And when you hit the switch, it'll cut the ignition to that cylinder and then put the spark to the spark plug in the exhaust. And it should go. We shall see. Let's go find a coil. This looks like a perfect candidate. LS coils. That should work. Looks like we're gonna need 10 mil to take these off. And I gotta cut this little harness here and take this plug. But that should work. We'll see. This should do. Now we gotta find the 10 mil. Oh boy. Of course. The 10 mil is freaking gone. This may be a really bad idea or a really good idea. We're gonna find out real quick. That should work, I think. Guess we'll find out. Now that we got a coil pack out here, I gotta figure out with a quick Google search what wire's what and where we have to tie it in. So let's figure that out. After a quick Google search, here is all the wiring. Bacha! That's what we need. Now we just gotta figure out the wiring on the go-kart. Okay, so this, not gonna work. This coil, too complicated, too many wires. Look at this thing. This thing's cool. Jet powered freaking boogie board type thing. That's awesome. That's another project we're gonna be working on. Anyways, so this coil's not gonna work because there's 4 wires coming out of here. And there's only 2 that come out of each individual coil pack in here. We're gonna improvise and we're gonna use this coil. This coil's only got 2 wires. We tested it and it works perfect. So yeah, that's gonna be cool. We're gonna take this down pipe off, and then on the back side of this, I'm gonna weld a bung in and screw the spark plug into. That's gonna be dope. And then we're gonna wire a momentary switch into the dash so we can turn the ignition on and off from there. So here's our sweet custom exhaust pipe. Pretty fancy. I gotta put this right here. Now we just gotta weld something like that right there. Boom! And it should go. What do we do, Coda? It's gonna work? Okay, so we got this tied into the coil. And here's our dirt bike motorcycle coil thingy tied to this thingy here. And yeah, we're gonna see if it works. Yeah, that should work.